And the roller coaster might be good. Cow. Okay, it's down. Cow, you okay? You didn't get coronavirus, right? Yeah, we know. Yeah, I mean, like, roller coaster is a little bit good. No. What you doing, sir? Hello? Owie. Wait, Spider, are you okay? I mean, Spider-Man? You okay? Spider-Man, are you okay? No, I'm not. Just got hit by the thunder. Come on. Okay, I'm going a little bit fast. Right? This is crazy. That's crazy. I'm going to get down soon. And just jump off. Yeet. I'll wait for you, bud. But I'll be there. Yeet. Okay. Is it coming? Are you coming? Bruh. Thought it was a piece of shit. Oh, God. Build your spaceship over there, bruh. I can hear it. It's still coming. Yeet. Losing speed. I still have to go like this. Do I really need to go like this? Oh shit! You go! Okay, I'll count! Oh shit. Especially so fast. Shit! I won't lose you this time. Okay, maybe I'm losing you. I can lose you, bro. Get back over here. Okay. You just take a turn. I'm coming. I'm just coming. Wait, bro. Just chill. Okay, shit. Why am I stumbling this floor? Okay, get down here. Wait it. Yes, I did it. Finally. Let's just check this black machine. We have Smithy. Wait. Okay, there you are. You both. There, they got this. Yeah. Memo, Smarty Smithy, Memo, and you three are just like, bro. Okay, I'm a Fidge Smith. Sorry. And I'm Smith feeding you, bro. Now what? What the freak? No, don't come to me, bud. I'm out. What the freak? Just a little kitty. I guess this is for Aspectual Gamer. Okay, let's just close all of that. And if it works, okay, it's working. It works. Bruh, not using that anymore. There we have safe build spaceship. Yeah, I'm not using a fish in the spaceship. Okay. Being in the spaceship, we have food, tools, iron blocks, iron ingots, in case if the spaceship get damaged by your stupid hand. On survival mode. And we go up. We'll find this. This is when the spaceship turns on and it can sit wait till the hold on. I mean, like, yeah, you should wait. Like, bruh. Okay, take a break. Shit, this one is weird. Okay, you have a sit here when the spaceship is moving down. I mean, shaking. And if you sit here, you press the button, you take that, and just like that, that, and you want it to just break it, put it back over there, and just press the button. And I put a bed in case if you want to survive there. Put that only in case, like, if a monster tentacles try to break your window, man, that would not be easy. I mean, like, yeah. Yeah, I think I need to build my house for myself, bro. Where's the little kitty? Ooh, wait a minute. The frick happened to the little kitty? It changed color. That kitty is a devil kitty. I'm getting the fuck off here. Yeah. I'm kinda opening this thing and turning those two things on. Yeah, I'm dying. I like to die. I'm dying, and just more from zombies might be easy for you to survive. Creative mode, and how many damage did it take? Bruh, you just die without saying nothing. And yeet and yeet. Turn on you too. Yeah, take damage as much as you can, bruh. Yeah. Bruh, I hate you guys. You guys are so This is what you get for trying to kill me in the castle. Duh. This is what you get to kill me in the castle. Oops. When you try to spawn something, but it goes very far. I think I'm going way too far. It's going to be way too far. Ooh. Come on, what's going on? Ooh, I have an idea. Wait, I just pull those two off. Bruh, what you doing outside? Good. Now when you put the speed, look at them outside. Die. Whoa. I do you burn those two because they are useless. Just throw that and throw that. And if you have useless stuff, or if a player try to kill you, you get your revenge back. And you turn that back on, and you're good. Oh. What the frick happened? Who the hell is down there? Oh. Great, the kitty died. Now what the frick are you doing? What the frick do you think you're doing, Smarty? Smarty, bad, good boy. Yes. You chicken. What the frick are you spawning? Why are you spawning here? Wait. I kill the chicken and I get two. That is weird. Let's get this out because it's useless. Let's feed you with cat. Bruh. Stop. I don't have more fish, okay? May you both feel happy? Ooh, okay. You got your little where's the kitty? Aww, the kitty looks so cute. I'm gonna feed you. What the? Turn to Garfield. Oh, you both are hugging me. I don't like that. Why? I'll name you later. No need to get outside, okay? You cats. Oh, come on. Zombie, may I ask you a question? Yay! Just ruby axe. Let's get a diamond sword. Let's get that useful. Let's get a bow. No. Yep, I really need a bow. Yay! Oh shit! How dare you touch those aspectual gamers, little spiders! How dare you! How dare you! Yeah, time for me to go to sleep. I'm just going to sleep, bruh. Of course. In the spaceship. To the spaceship. Oh. Always use as an door while sleeping. Yay! Sorry for sleeping on your bedside, Bill. I mean, I forgot. Time to. Okay, come on. I'm a hunt. I hunt the chicken. Chicken, why you not dying? Die, chicken. Oh, there you go. Die. Good. Let's get that ready. Where's the wolf? Yeet. Yeet. Oh, I miss you, bruh. Why am I missing you? Okay. Bruh. I'ma hit you, evil dog. Even you, evil sheep. Where's the cow? I want to hit the cow. Yeet! Oh, where did he go? We just don't know. Yeah, oh. Ooh, I messed up. Really? The cat that died before is alive. It's alive! Kill it before it kills me. Wait. One shot and I kill this thing? Bruh. Piece of shit bears! You guys are so useless! You are so useless! Uh-oh. No, it's not my fault. Of course it's my fault. Ha 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 ha. Hey bear! Nah, sheep are useless. Prefer to fight a bear. Okay. I'm gonna fight you, bruh. I'm going to fight you! Get back here! Uh-oh. Sorry, Mr. Bear, I have to kill you. Okay, freak, shit. Okay, everything got destroyed with me. But, I'm a team, which means nothing can happen to me. Bruh. Never think that I'm useless. Not that kind of useless like this guy. Yeah. Hey Shiv, how's it going? Yeah. I'ma bow you a question. I'm bowing you a question, sheep. Should respect my question. Even you too, bear. Dumb bear. Dumbass. Oh, shit. Hey, wolf. You look like, more like a wolf, not as a kid. 10. Oh, okay. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my freaking fault. Okay? No. No. Ooh, yeah, that is a headshot. Pig, get the fuck off my way. Okay, you're gonna get the fuck my way right now. Spider, you're just useless. You're just useless. Even this little bunny, it's a killer. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, maybe I'm the killer. Such a useless killer. Not that useless, you know. I never become useless when I was a kid. I was just like, hey, you know, let's burn everything, you know what I mean. Let's burn every useless thing. And doop doop. Ooh, watch it go. Ooh. Okay, this one is good. I'll take that. The cat is big now. Let's give you a name. My name is Carlos. Might be a good name. Carlos. Didn't mean Garfield. Smarty, get the fuck off the door. Okay, you're not getting off the door. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. Okay, I'm putting an iron door here. Only to keep. What is rolling around? I already break the roller coaster. Bruh. Okay, it's oh shit, maybe it's my here. And yeah. Yes, Smarty. Whenever I come, you just come in front of me. Really, Smarty? Are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna give you a name. Your name should be Carlos. We need to use French anything, guys. You new cat. It's called Carlos. Have fun. It's a female, I guess. Is it a female or male? I just forgot. And now continue. Where is that? Okay, too much noise. Got to know where does this noise coming from. Okay, let's just put some noise only to know where it is. Wait, what? Do you hear Mr. Roller Coaster? Into the roller coaster? This place is haunted. Oh my god, this place is haunted. Guys, I'm going to break off here. Get me the fuck out of here. Yeet. Get me the fuck off here, bruh. Okay, don't you dare fail. Bruh, really? It's not my fault. I should not fail. Bro, I'm getting serious with this. With those. How dare you fight me? You want to fight me, then fight the TNT. Where are you? You just don't know? Die. Whee! Boom.